Great, so it's probably like 2 degrees outside. Don't let the beautiful sunrise deceive you. It's over there somewhere. We're gonna give the old girl a crank this morning here, see if she starts up. Well, the door's unlocked at least. Let's do a temperature check here. Whew. Oh, even better. 0 degrees. Let's see if she cranks. Oh yeah, all right, boy. We got oil pressure too. Hey, that means we'll be able to go home.